Who's waking up, huh? It's time to wake up and feed? Yeah. Somebody's a sleepyhead. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good morning. Yeah. And you have the hiccups. Yeah. Good morning, Eleanor. Yeah, now you know what we're about to do. We're waking up. Yeah. Say hi to friends and family. I'm about to get fed. Hi.